Hey guys, it's Bill, Competition Cars, coming back to you again with now the interior and rear hatch compartment review of this 1980 Scout. Scout 2 Rally Edition, diesel, turbo diesel, 4-speed, air, restored to an extremely high level, guys. I'm gonna say, as I said in my other video, you're not restoring this to this level for less than $100,000. So if it was 1980 and you were my age and you wanted one of these and you couldn't buy it, you were too young or you couldn't afford it, now's your chance to buy one that's literally brand new in every way. And if you can't see that this was restored to a high level, I don't know what to tell you. This thing was done right. Tilt, air, temp gauge, oil gauge, amps, fuel gauge. We're gonna do a driving video, make sure all that works for you. If something doesn't work, I will disclose it. But look at it, man. I mean, everything is just, it's like a new car, new truck. And as I said, I'll mention again, this was restored with a lot of NOS parts. So you're really having a golden opportunity here, guys, to grab something really neat. I can't really find anything negative to talk about on this. I mean, it's just that damn nice. Love that plaid interior. Love that kind of cinnamon colored interior against the yellow. It just works really, really well. There's no rust. Every nook and cranny looks new. Got a full-size spare. All the carpet back here is new. That's an extra set of rally stripes in silver. This is the real deal, guys. And, you know, it's my job to sell it, hype it up, whatever, but I mean, this truck speaks for itself. I mean, I'm just really glad that I have an opportunity to get my hands on this one and run it through Bring a Trailer, see what we can get it to do. It looks very, very correct to me in every way. Again, can't wait to get the driving video, show you how good it drives, go over the features. And then to have one with air conditioning, that's a plus as well. But look, everything is, you know, no rust, just very, very solid, straight, and good looking wheels, Michelin tires. So check it out. This will be on YouTube first. It will be live on Bring a Trailer soon. We're gonna bring it to sell. And hopefully you guys can appreciate what we have here and realize how much money and time and effort was spent to get this vehicle to this level. I'll say it again, you're not doing it for less than 100K, I don't believe. By the time you find one that's not rotted and try to source all these parts, which is gonna be probably near impossible, especially NOS stuff. And I'll get more details. My client that I got it from has a list of all the details on what was done, when it was done. But it looks pretty fresh to me. So there it is, guys. Have a great day. When the auction goes live on Bring a Trailer, I'll share the link on YouTube and you guys can bid away. Take care. Have a great day.